Where is your mommy? Isabella. Oh, Isabella, come here. Good job, girl. Hi, Isabella. I'm so happy you're back. Another moment of truth. Oh, oof, wow. Look, nothing broke. Nothing broke. Uh-oh. I see a crack right there. Even my cup looks so good. But I can't use it because this is, before I found out this is low fire clay. So I can't use it for food. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to repot the poinsettia. And because this has been sitting, the other poinsettia has died. R.I.P. But this one has, I got this from a teacher where I used to work. But see, look at that. What they do. They put it in this mesh thing. And then it doesn't really, it's not as good as it's supposed to be because it doesn't, it's not able to breathe through that. And I don't even think the roots came out. So, bad idea. The roots should be able to spread its wings all through the land. So I got the same stuff I have here as the indoor plants. It's got to be, oh my goodness. You need to put some water in it because it's dried up so fast. It's been hot in this garage, so yeah. Not impossible that this gets really dry. But I'm not gonna bore you, so just watch. See what's going on with you, madam. Oh, the roots did come out. But it's being constricted though, I believe. She believes she can fly. Okay, so I'm not going to disturb the groove. I'm just gonna let her enjoy her life the way it is. Yeah, yay. Happy birthday. Ta-da. Ta-da. Isabella's viewing pleasure. Hi, Izzy. I can't see. The Dark Lord has been propagated. Oh yeah. What else? This one? This one's getting too big for its britches. And I see some stuff going on there. I'm like, what is this? Peperomia Ginny. Okay, how to do. I think I'm gonna just right there. Haha. Okay, this will give this guy a chance to spread its wings, and you will be my Frankenstein. And there she is, Peperomia Guinea, or Ginny. Yep, I added worm casting water in there. Petite. I'm just, my brain is like in the kiln. I can't wait to see. Cut, 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 cut. This could possibly be a succulent. Look at that. Doesn't that look like an aloe vera? So I'm gonna let it callus over, and then, yeah, it's gonna probably propagate that way. So I caught it. We'll see. It's an experiment. Frankenstein. They're gonna have their 30-minute worm casting calcium eggshell bath. 30 minutes for these air plants. This is it. Ready or not, here I come. Oh, it's still hot. You ready for this? I didn't even look when I took that last shelf off. You and I are gonna see this together. What? Okay, not loving that one, but these three, whoa. Okay, 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 okay. I'm so happy now. Boom. And finally, this is Christmas. Okay, here's my pinch pot. So beautiful. It's still so hot. I hope it doesn't crack. And this is my wonky one. It has the red, rust red, I believe, and I don't know, is it purple? I think it was purple. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then this was my favorite. This is the one that I love the most. It's still very hot. But look, Pottery by Anna Marie. Wow, so pretty. By the way, here are the two things. Two air plants, all happy now. They got their beautiful bath. They love it. I don't see any more dried tips other than this one. And that. I think I'm gonna snip it off. No dried tips for this one. This one's really happy. Oh no, there's one right there. Oh well. And as we come to a close by watching Isabella's babies gag her to death because they're so hungry. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again next time. Until then, bye for now.